morning, dear students. I am Ms. Navida Sheikh from Brahan Mumbai Mahanagar Palika MCGM virtual class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's session, we'll be learning something new and interesting from a science textbook. So let's get started. Good morning, dear students. I am Ms. Navida Sheikh from MCGM virtual class. I welcome all my dear students to another and interesting session. In today's class, we will be learning the next part of the chapter that we started last week, that is environmental management part 2. Now, as you know that in our first video we have learned about what is the difference between weather and climate. Okay, so we know what is weather and what is climate, and we also have understood the climatic factors which make the weather and the climate different from place to place. And with the help of the video, it was quite clear to all of you all, and if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch the previous one, and then you will be able to understand today's video, which is related to the topic that we learned last week. Alright, so let's get started. Let us see the importance of weather in the living world. Now, as I told you that weather is very important for us to know कि weather का जो condition है वो बहुत सारी चीजें उसके ऊपर depend होती है. Let us see a few importance of weather in the living world. The very first is human progress. Human progress is related to conducive climate and geography. Now everybody knows कि हमारे इंडिया के बारे में अगर हम लोग बात करेंगे तो कोई एक पर्टिकुलर प्लांट अगर उगाना है, ठीक है, लाइक मैंगोस. नाउ मैंगोस डज नॉट ग्रो वेरी नाइसली, और जैसे क्वालिटी चाहिए वैसे अगर उसे कश्मीर में उगाएंगे तो वैसे नहीं उगेगा. सेम में अगर सैफरन को अगर हम लोग महाराष्ट्र में उगाने की कोशिश करेंगे तो वो उसकी क्वालिटी इतनी अच्छी नहीं होगी. ठीक है, तो ये क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन के ऊपर बहुत सारी चीजें ह्यूमन प्रोग्रेस डिपेंड करती है. ठीक है, सो इफ humans need to progress, they have to consider about the climate and the geography of a particular region कि यहाँ पर भाई ये काम कर सकते हैं नहीं कर सकते हैं. Like suppose if there is too much of sunlight and the temperature is very high, you cannot grow strawberries over there. ठीक है, तो strawberries के लिए mild sunlight लगती है. You do not require too much of sunlight or too much of water over there. तो climate अगर वहाँ का चीज सही होगा तो ही वहां पर ह्यूमन प्रोग्रेस कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस पॉइंट एक्सप्लेन्स दैट human beings have designed a time schedule for their lives based upon centuries of climatic expression. So we have all understood this line because हम लोग सब अपने टाइम जो है वो हमारे climatic conditions जो है उसके हिसाब से हम लोग एडजस्ट करते हैं. Like if you want to go for a vacation, when do you go? You go during the summer vacations, right? तो summer vacation में क्यों जाते हैं? Because हमारे यहाँ का climate बहुत हाई हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो हम लोग दूसरी जगहों पे जाते हैं, हिल स्टेशंस वगैरह पे जाते हैं ताकि वहां पर हम लोगों को इतनी धूप या गर्मी ना लगे. So we have made our life, we have designed our life in such a way that it is dependent upon the climate only. Scientists find it necessary to study climate in view of its effect on agricultural production. This is a very important point about agriculture. अगर कोई अगर कोई farmer है and if he wants to grow rice, he cannot grow rice where there is less water. पानी rice को बहुत लगता है. ठीक है, तो वहां पर बारिश होना जरूरी है क्योंकि इतना पानी तो रोज के रोज नहीं पहुंचाया जा सकता. तो rainfall is extremely important for such plants. So there the scientists keep on studying about the climatic condition, about the weather condition, and then they help the farmers for doing agricultural production. Okay, so scientists find it necessary to study climate in view of its effect on agricultural production. So the importance of weather in the living world. Daily weather as a long-term climatic condition influences human lifestyle directly or indirectly. Land, water bodies, plants and animals collectively form the natural environment on Earth. This environment is responsible for the development of organisms. Now, with this statement, it is very clear that climate plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. like the way we dress, the way the food that we eat, everything is influenced by the climatic condition, directly or indirectly. Even plants and animals adapt themselves to the climatic conditions that are there. जैसे कि अगर डेजर्ट है तो डेजर्ट कंडीशन जो क्लाइमेटिक क्लाइमेट है वहाँ का, उस हिसाब से वहाँ के जो प्लांट्स अडेप्ट कर लिए अपने आप को, उसके अंदर लीव्स की जगह पर दे हैव pointed thorns or spines on their body, and even the animals have adapted themselves. They have thick layer of skin over their body so that they do not lose out more water from their body. They, you must have learned about animals in the polar region also. Now all these things are because of the climatic condition. Okay, so humans, animals, plants, everything is dependent upon the climatic condition directly or indirectly. Okay, and this is important for the environment and for the development of the organisms. The climate of a particular region helps to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupation, and lifestyle of the people of that region. So, suppose if you have a particular region जहाँ पर गर्मी ज़्यादा होती है, तो वहाँ पर अगर लोग आम उगाना चाहते हैं या फिर गेहूँ उगाना चाहते हैं तो दे कैन डू दैट. ठीक है. अब जहाँ पर गर्मी ज़्यादा है वहाँ पर हम लोग ठंडी चीज़ें उगा नहीं सकते, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऑल्सो पीपल हैव टेकन अप ऑक्यूपेशन अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. ठीक है. हर जगह पर कोई भी प्लांट नहीं उगा सकते, कोई भी ऑक्यूपेशन नहीं कर सकते, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. अगर जहाँ पे ठंड है वहाँ पर लोग ब्लैंकेट्स बेचते हैं. ठीक है. जहाँ पर गर्मी है वहाँ पे लोग ब्लैंकेट्स नहीं बेचते है ना. तो उस हिसाब से ऑक्यूपेशन भी डिफर करते हैं, और बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हमारी जो खाने की जो चीज़ें हैं वो भी डिफरेंट होती है बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. Okay, the way you dress, the clothes that you wear. If you go to the north, you will find people wearing sweaters and woolen cloths. Now when you come to the when you are in Maharashtra, right now, we do not need too much of woolen cloths, right? We wear cotton cloths normally, so that the climatic condition suits us, and it helps us to हैव अ हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. ठीक है. तो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन की वजह से हमारी क्लोथिंग, हमारा हाउसिंग, हमारा ऑक्यूपेशन, हर चीज़ डिफरेंट होता है. ठीक है. हमारी लाइफस्टाइल बदलती है बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. Salinity of marine water, formation of oceanic currents, water cycle, etc. are all related to various weather and climatic factors. Now, if you are just nearby a seashore, okay, over there you must have noticed the temperature, the humidity is very different. So, हर जगह के पास उसके जो वेदर कंडीशन है, उसका जो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन है, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है फॉर ओशनिक करंट्स ऑल्सो, फॉर वाटर साइकिल ऑल्सो. ठीक है. जहाँ पर धूप होती है वहाँ पर इवेपोरेशन होगा, अगर इवेपोरेशन ज़्यादा होता है तो कंडेंसेशन होगा, क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन होगा तो रेनफॉल होगी. ठीक है. सो दिस प्रोसेस कीप्स ऑन गोइंग, दैट इज वाटर साइकिल. अब ये वाटर साइकिल भी क्यों हो रही है? बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन. Okay. The next important thing about weather is various climatic factors bring about the weathering of rocks in the Earth's crust. Means if there is rainfall, if there is too much of wind blowing, तो जो बड़े बड़े जो rocks होते हैं वो बारीक बारीक उसके ऊपर से sand बननी शुरू होती है. They crack open and you can find sand forming because of that. ठीक है. तो उसके वजह से climate also plays a very important role in weathering of rocks. Climate plays a very important role in the formation and enrichment of soil. ठीक है. अगर वेदरिंग ऑफ रॉक्स हो रहा है तो सॉइल फॉर्म होता है, और ये जो नया सॉइल फॉर्म होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदरिंग ऑफ द रॉक, इट इज़ मोर enriched with nutrients, and it is more good for the crops. Microbes in the soil play an important role in the formation of organic materials. ठीक है. So microorganisms which are present in the soil, they also play a very important role in our environment. This process depends upon various climatic factors. Thus, it is very clear that the study of meteorology is very important from the view of human life. So, Now, before this word meteorology, I will be explaining all about meteorology. Now, it is a study of weather. Okay, how it is done, by which means it is done, we will be learning that also. Okay, so everything, your plants, animals, humans, how we eat, how we wear our clothes, and what type of occupation has to be done, the salinity of water, the microorganisms, everything is dependent directly or indirectly on the climatic condition or the weather. So most countries in the world have established meteorology department for making and recording such observations about weather. These departments have observatories which are equipped with modern instruments and technology. Okay, this is one of the meteorological department. Climate is the net result of a complex mixture of various atmospheric factors. Forecasting is very complicated and difficult. Okay, हम लोग जो न्यूज़ में देखते हैं तो लोग बड़े आसानी से हम लोग देखते हैं कि न्यूज़ रिपोर्टर्स बोल देते हैं कि आज का टेम्परेचर ऐसा रहेगा, यहाँ का क्लाइमेट ऐसा है, ये ऐसा है वैसा. बट इट इज़ एक्चुअली टू गेट दोज इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड टू पुट इट डाउन टुगेदर कि एक्चुअली में वहाँ का क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन आज कैसा होगा या फिर वहाँ का वेदर कैसा होगा. दैट इज़ अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क एंड अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वन. Okay, so there is a different department which is just for to study about the weather condition. Okay, so this is the meteorology department. It is very important in each and every country. Now let's learn more about meteorology. The science that studies the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural geological movements of the earth and climate is called meteorology. ठीक है, जो स्टडी हम लोग करते हैं अबाउट एयर, जो नेचुरल साइकिल्स, जो हमारे जो डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ गैसेस है, लाइक नाइट्रोजन साइकिल, कार्बन साइकिल, ऑल दीज साइकिल्स दैट आर देयर, एवरीथिंग, इसके बारे में जब हम लोग स्टडी करते हैं तो उसे हम लोग कहते हैं मेट्रोलॉजी. Meteorology includes the study of storms, cloud formation, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. Depending upon the study of such factors, weather forecasts are made. ठीक है, तो जैसे जिस तरीके से अगर वहाँ पे स्टॉर्म हो रहा है या फिर रेनफॉल है, लाइटनिंग है, थंडर है, उस हिसाब से सब चीज़ कंसिडर करके वेदर फोरकास्ट बनाया जाता है. They are useful to common people, farmers, fisherers, aviation services, water transport and various other organizations. ठीक है, अब फार्मर्स को भी पता होना चाहिए कि बारिश कब होने वाली है, कितनी हो सकती है, तो मेट्रोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट उन्हें अलर्ट करता है. सेम वे फिशिंग करने के लिए जब फिशरर्स जाते हैं पानी में तो वहां पर उन लोगों को पहले ही बता दिया जाता है क्या स्टॉर्म आने वाला है पानी में, सो दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू गो ओवर देयर. ठीक है, पानी में जाने उन्हें अलाउड ही नहीं किया जाता है. लाइक दैट वेदर फोरकास्ट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सेम वे फॉर एविएशन सर्विसेज, लाइक अगर एरोप्लेन्स जब उड़ते हैं, एविएशन मीन्स इट इज रिलेटेड टू एयरप्लेन्स एंड एयरक्राफ्ट्स. ठीक है, तो अगर बारिश होने वाली है या फिर वहां पर बहुत नॉर्मली हल्की बारिश होती है तो प्लेन्स कैन टेक ऑफ एंड दे लैंड ऑल्सो. बट इफ सपोज देयर इज अ स्टॉर्म और देयर इज अ if there is too much of rainfall, that time the weather forecast is useful over there for aviation service also. उनको पहले पता चल जाता है कि ऐसा वेदर हो सकता है. ठीक है, so they take proper precautions for that as well. Water transport also, if there is if people want to transport food stuff or any other material from one country to the other, तो वहाँ पर भी ये वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट में भी हेल्प करता है. बिकॉज पानी में जब जाता है इंसान तो वहाँ पर क्या होता है, ओशनिक करंट, हम लोग ने पढ़े थे कि क्लाइमेट की वजह से ओशनिक करंट फॉर्म्स होते हैं, उनके अंदर भी डिफरेंट layers form होती है. So that is also very important to know, and then only the people get into the water. Okay, so meteorology plays a very important role in all such occupations as well. Now how this is done? Now here you can see this is a satellite which is moving around the surface of the earth, and it keeps on recording about the climatic conditions which is happening over the period of time. ठीक है, Now here you can see how the satellites moves around the earth. It keeps on rotating and keeps on getting the information about the climatic condition, if there is a storm, or if there is a cyclone coming. Okay, so everything can be recorded through the satellites, and it is very helpful for the meteorology department as well. The study of weather and climate. Weather stations have meteorological instruments to get information about the weather condition. Some of these instruments are thermometers, barometers, rain gauge, and wind gauge. Okay, so these are instruments which are used to study the weather and climate. कि आज टेम्परेचर क्या होगा तो थर्मोमीटर से मेजर किया जाता है. ठीक है. Then barometers are used. Rain gauge के बारे में तो आप लोगों ने पढ़े होंगे. In order to measure कि how much rainfall has fallen in a particular region. And wind gauge के storm है या नहीं है या normal winds blow कर रही है तो wind gauges are used. Okay, so these are a few instruments which are used for the study of weather and climate. Now the weather instruments measure weather conditions. One of the most important condition is air pressure, which is measured by barometer. ठीक है, it is also very important to know the pressure of air, which can be measured by the barometer. See the other commonly used weather instruments, that is thermometer, it measures temperature, anemometer, it measures wind speed, rain gauge measures the amount of rainfall, hygrometer measures humidity, wind vane shows wind direction, snow gauge measures the amount of snow. So these are few more instruments which are used to measure various climatic factors. Okay? So it is very important for us to remember about the climatic factors and which are the instruments which are used to measure that and get us a collective information कि वहाँ पर आज climatic condition या फिर वहाँ पर weather forecast क्या है. ठीक है. So I hope with this it is clear.
The weather is one of the most powerful, important forces on Earth. But how do you know what the weather is going to be like so you can plan ahead? A lot can go wrong if you don't plan for the weather. While you're busy with your everyday life, a global network of gadgets scan and measure the atmosphere, collecting data from all over the world. Radar systems, weather balloons, ocean monitoring buoys, and lots of other cool instruments track changes to help predict the weather. Another vital ingredient is space. Way out in orbit, weather satellites are getting the big picture of atmospheric changes. These European weather satellites, METOP and Meteosat, give us the ability to see the weather before it reaches us. Orbiting the Earth 14 times a day, around 850 kilometres up, METOP keeps a close eye on temperature, humidity and winds. METOP's observations, along with all the other data, are fed into powerful supercomputers. These huge machines then crunch their way through millions of bits of data about current weather, oceans and atmosphere to forecast future weather. The process is called numerical weather prediction and is what scientists use to help us plan our lives. It's clever stuff. Individuals and entire countries can react when bad weather is on the way. Governments, pilots, farmers, fishermen and sailors, shop owners, tourists, building workers and even power stations all rely on accurate weather forecasts. Further out in space, at 36,000 kilometres, Meteosat stays over the same spot on Earth, keeping a 24-hour watch over Europe and Africa's weather. This type of satellite is essential for detecting the development of rapidly changing weather, such as storms or fog, helping meteorologists work out what is likely to happen in the next few hours. So many lives are affected in huge ways by the weather, and our ability to predict and plan for it. And everyone's life is affected in little ways every day. Weather forecasts enable us to plan to keep traffic moving, planes on schedule and on the safest path. And everyone's day, well, not always without a hitch. So remember that a whole host of satellites and other amazing weather technology are always at your fingertips whenever you have plans. So don't forget to check the weather.
So I hope with this it is quite clear to all my students about the difference between weather and climate, what is the importance of weather and climate in our day-to-day life and in our environment. And it is also, I think it is quite clear to you all that how weather forecast is done. And with the help of the video, I hope it is quite clear to all of you all now. So we will be learning few more interesting things in your next coming period. So please see to it that you all go and watch the previous video also and this video also. If there's any problem, you can comment and ask us a few questions if you want. Thank you. If you liked our session, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that you can share and view the videos that we had today for you. And please do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you remain updated with all the latest videos that we'll be making for our dear students.
This session was quite useful to you. In the next coming period, we'll learn something new and interesting. Till then, thank you.